really weird because one just went straight west. So this one is a different one because there's no way that it came from the same direction like that. You know, it'd take time for it to turn around and everything. See how long I can keep him in frame for. Facing east, northeast. It's kind of far. He's heading north. But the other one just flew like behind there and then flew that way. And there's a 740, or excuse me, a 737 because of the two engines. There's always a problem with a certain picture. And I remember where there's two engines instead of four. Yep.